Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today we're going to move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big deep breath. Let's begin.
Get ready, little warrior. Captain Li Shang needs your help today. Stand up, bend forward, and let your head fall gently. Captain Li Shang looks down at the ground, searching for secret clues. Something important is hidden here. Your back stretches, and you grow stronger as you help the captain. Take a deep breath. You are a great explorer. We found the path. Let's take a big step forward. Step forward, bend your knee, and lift your arms to the sky. Captain Li Shang climbs a tall mountain. Keep going, you are brave. Your heart is strong, and your body is too. Look ahead like a true hero. Now we switch legs. Change legs and rise up again. Another mountain appears, but you can do it. The captain smiles. Nothing can stop us. From the top, we see a forest. Let's go there. Hands and feet on the ground, lift your hips like a mountain. We become a little explorer dog, sniffing the path. Woof, this way. Your body stretches and feels light. Breathe. You are ready to keep going. Oh no, a challenge appears. Get ready. Open your arms, bend one knee, and look forward. Captain Li Shang becomes a great warrior, strong, brave, and calm. Trust yourself. You are powerful. Feel your strength in your whole body. We change sides. Another enemy appears, but you are ready. Breathe and stand strong like a hero. We won. Now let's rest a little. Open your legs and bend forward, relaxing your head. The captain stops and listens to the wind. The path continues. Your body rests, but your energy grows. Relax your neck. Everything is okay. We hear a sound. Let's go see. Lie on your belly, lift your chest like a cobra. You become a wise snake. Watching everything calmly, Captain Li Shang says, "Calm is your power. Breathe softly. You are safe." Now it's time for a special rest. Sit on your heels and rest your head. The captain rests in a quiet place. Get your energy back. Your body relaxes, your mind too. You're calm and strong at the same time. Final mission. Get ready. Lie down, bend your knees, and lift your hips. We build a magic bridge to cross to the end of the adventure. Captain Li Shang smiles. You did it. You are brave, strong, and special. Breathe and enjoy this moment.
Great job, Super Kids! You did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines.